What's going on, guys? I'm here with another video, and I had a thought. What would happen if I poured different liquids than water into a humidifier? I'm going to be trying Mountain Dew code or voltage, so let's give it a try. Alright, so how this thing works is you open that and you pour the stuff into this tank. You can also, to get it started, what you do, you pour it into this bottom platform. So we are going to do that and see if it evaporates. Now we just set it down. Okay. So now we turn it on. Here we go. We're not getting any humidifiering. Let's try a different liquid. Okay, the soda didn't work, so I'm gonna be now trying some Gatorade, and then I just really quick made some lemonade. So let's dump out this voltage and try the Gatorade. Okay, so now that we dumped that out, let's actually try the lemonade first. Pour her in. Alright, let's give it a go. I actually think that's working. Lemonade is working. Yep, that's a go. I don't know if you can see that, but there is stuff coming out. Sweet. Now let's try the Gatorade. Pouring in the Gatorade now. That's working as well. Sweet. Do you guys see that? There's Gatorade, vaporized Gatorade coming out of there. Sweet. Alright guys, well I hope you like this. It was a burning question I had and I had to try it. And I haven't seen it around on YouTube or anything. So if you guys have any liquids that you want me to try in a humidifier here, leave them down in the comments and I will make a video about it. As always guys, keep moving forward.